obviously Robert Pattinson about to take on Batman. Do you have any advice for him with taking on this iconic role?
Good for him, just make it his own, don't listen to the naysayers at all. Think about it, everybody protested when Heath was cast as the Joker. Look what an absolutely brilliant performance he gave. Don't listen to those guys, do his own thing. He's a fascinating actor, he's a great choice.
I'm starting to see now. Vengeance won't change the past. Mine or anyone else's. I have to become more.